19 low-carb swaps for your carb-filled favorites. Substitute bread with thick sliced cucumbers when making sandwiches, or use cucumber to make tasty roll-ups, and you'll save 18 grams of carbs each time you replace 2 slices of bread. Ditch the bun and get your burgers lettuce wrapped, and you'll save 21 grams of carbs. Substitute spaghetti with spiral-cut zucchini and save 37.3 grams of carbs with each 1-cup serving. Substitute lasagna noodles with thick-cut zucchini slices, and you'll save a whopping 21 grams of carbs with just 2 noodles. You don't have to sacrifice your crunchy snack cravings. Simply substitute potato chips with kale chips. They're easy to make in the oven, and you'll save 114 grams of carbs in every 8-ounce serving of chips. Another great swap for carb-filled potato chips is almonds, and you'll save 53 grams of carbs with each 4-ounce serving. Substitute breadcrumbs for almond flour, and you'll save 23 grams of carbs per half cup. Ditch 2 carb-loaded buttermilk pancakes for healthy almond flour pancakes, and save 20 grams of carbs. Half a cup of white flour has 45.8 grams of carbs, while the same portion of almond flour has only 6. Almond flour recipes are plentiful, and you can make muffins, cookies, and all sorts of low-carb baked goodies. Ditch the croutons for sliced almonds in your salads, and save 15 grams of carbs per ounce. A half cup of carrot slices instead of 5 crackers saves you 6 grams of carbs and is ideal for snacks, dips, and spreads, and you'll never miss the crunch. Soda is a nutritional nightmare with 39 grams of pure sugar. Instead, choose 0-calorie flavored seltzers that have 0 carbs. Love French fries? Who doesn't? But they're loaded with 56 grams of carbs in just 1 cup. Choose baked carrot sticks instead and save yourself 47.4 grams of carbs. 1 tablespoon of ketchup has 4 grams of sugar, but 2 slices of fresh tomatoes have 0 sugar. You can mash up the tomatoes and make a delicious ketchup substitute. A half cup of mashed potatoes has 22 grams of carbs, while mashed cauliflower only has 4. Save yourself the 18 grams, and you'll hardly miss the potatoes, as the consistency of cauliflower is very close to potatoes. Flavor it with a little cheese, garlic, butter, or sour cream for a heavenly low-carb swap. Substitute pizza crust with a portobello mushroom cap, load on the toppings, and save 16 grams of carbs with 2 caps over 2 slices of pizza with traditional crust. 1 flour wrap has 32 grams of carbs, and 1 tortilla has 43 grams of carbs. So, use lettuce or kale instead and reduce your carb intake to 0. Sushi rolls with rice have 26 or more grams of carbs, but sushi rolls without rice have 0 carbs. Substitute potatoes with softened cauliflower chunks in potato salad and save yourself 20 grams of carbs for each 1-cup serving. Thanks for watching and enjoy your swaps.